The orientation of parts in 3D printing plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality of printed objects while efficiently using resources like material and cost. By optimizing the orientation of a part, you can significantly improve both its stability and the overall cost-effectiveness of the printing process. To find the best orientation for a metal part, it is essential to focus on the support surfaces and ensure that the maximum cross-sectional area is reduced to a predefined value. The first step is to analyze the relevant measurement data. To do this, you can use the Analysis panel by clicking the Analyze button. The current measurements will then be displayed in clear text fields. If you want to visually inspect the maximum cross-sectional area, you can do so by using the blue eye icon. This icon highlights the area on the part with a color-coded control element. After analyzing the data, it's time to optimize the orientation. In the Optimization panel, you can select criteria that are most relevant to your part. In this example, the goal is to balance the support area with the maximum XY cross-section. By clicking Optimize, the Magic software will automatically adjust the orientation of your part. You can further tweak the parameters in real time using sliders until you achieve the perfect orientation for your requirements. Another useful tool for evaluating the orientation of your part is the Orientation Comparison tool. This tool allows you to directly compare different orientation presets. Additionally, you can check and adjust your own orientation using the same criteria as in the optimizer. To do this, simply add your current orientation as a reference and compare it with the preset options. The differences between the sets are visualized with color coding. Green indicates a better score, while red signifies a lower score. By combining analysis, optimization, and comparison, you can ensure that your 3D printing process not only delivers high-quality results, but also operates efficiently and economically. These tools together provide a powerful foundation for orienting and adjusting your parts effectively.